3 minus 5, which is minus 2, times 3 minus 5 minus 2. So here comes 4. But this is the wrong value. Because according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS, where P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, S subtraction. Here you have to remember this multiplication division both have equal priority, therefore we go from left to right. Same goes for addition and subtraction. So here first we'll solve this part, parenthesis part. In parenthesis here subtraction is there, so we'll solve this one. So 3 minus 5 times 3 minus 5, which is minus 2. Then here we'll solve this multiplication part. So 3 minus minus 10. So 3 minus minus plus 10. So 3 plus 10, which is 13. So 13 is the correct value for this expression.